It can be very dangerous for infants.
Long Beach Public Health Officer Dr. Mitchell Kushner says he's logged 43 cases since January, mostly in school-aged kids, but some infants are infected.
The state of California has recommended that every pregnant woman during their third trimester of pregnancy receive the booster vaccine for pertussis. It's called Tdap.
In 2010, 10 infants died in California of whooping cough, pertussis, and in other areas of the state right now, they're reporting an increase in cases. Kushner says, however, there are no reports of deaths from pertussis so far. Jim Roope, KABC News.